Our last morning in Malaysia, so we thought we'd get up for the sunrise. So today we're going to go and see some beautiful birds of Malaysia. No, not me and Geraldine, although we are the beautiful birds in Malaysia right now. We're going to go and see the beautiful birds of Malaysia in the world's biggest aviary. I have to admit, I am struggling a bit here. Beautiful birds in a big open aviary, but they're still trapped really, aren't they? And a lot of them are in smaller cages than that and can't quite fly in the air that they'd like their wingspan to, but I'm here, so I'll carry on and I'll get you some footage. Oh, you want me to buy some food, do you? And feed you? I'm sure you get fed anyway, whether I feed you or not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Let me out, let me out. Jerry wasn't too keen on that, so I had to take over from her and rescue her. And I had two hooks onto me. One was on my shoulder trying to get some and the other was bullying him. So I tried to sneak some to him, up to my shoulder, but they still. And then one just got a real good grip on my finger. Oh, my hair, taking my hat off. It wasn't a bird. It looked a bit like a bird nest though. Hope so.
Hello. Trying to get the rock. Hello. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Do you think all birds make that sound? Yeah.
Like all my accents sound the same. Isn't that from American Pie?
Size of him, living quite a tiny. He wants to fly. He wants to get out.
They're all sitting up there trying to get some
I
sun.
just told Geri I don't like it here. She went, let's just open the cage. Come on. We're going to run afterwards.
The gift of ADHD keeps on giving.
God. Might have to keep an eye on her. Hello.
love this tree. We like vines hanging down. It's just so bizarre looking, isn't it? How can you stand like that and balance just one leg? Has that one got a fish in his mouth? Or is that just his tongue? Is the other one?
Look, some idiots threw their bottle in. People like that annoy me.
Hello.
Snakes around. Make your decision which way everyone wants to go.
What is that in your mouth? I'll have a little look.
Perhaps they do that to cool down maybe, or it's part of their breathing, or look at that. I'm sure they're scarier of us than we are of them.
Yeah.
Alright, you go first then, Geri.
Okay, I will. I'm fine. I will.
Everyone you like, look.
Hello. Can you show me your beautiful tail? No. Hello, peacock. Hello. Hello, monkey monkey. Oh, baby ones. Oh, tiny little baby behind, right behind you, look. Hello. Ooh, that means stay away. It's not us, it's the little bird in front of it, look. He's hissing at the little bird in front. That little bird there. He's hissing at that. You beautiful boy. You are, aren't you? Absolutely stunning, yes you are. Fine. It was hissing at the bird, not us. Beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful.
Monkeys are eating the food, so they're getting a bit, or they're trying to get now, but it's back to you.
Yay.
Karina?
There's a colourful bird there, look.
Across that
Hi.
bridge, there's monkeys on the bridge as well.
Hello. Oh, look, he's a bit tatty, aren't they? Isn't it weird? They're not bothered about us, but they really hiss at the other birds. Cheeky little monkey. Right, we're coming through, Mr. Peacock. Just to let you know, we're coming round. Okay. We're behind. I think we're disturbing their mating dance.
The two boys, how are they going to mate?
Oh yeah. That was a typical Karinaism, wasn't it? I thought that was you shaking the branch to try and make me jump. And it wasn't. It was two little monkeys. It's so lovely just to see them. It's alright, I'm not going to hurt you.
Okay.
It's okay, I won't hurt you.
I'll let you play. You don't want to interrupt.
No. You just carry on. Have no food though. Nothing for you to get.
Yeah, we're a bit boring.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. Aw.
Oh,
Yeah,
boring you, yeah.
Yeah, we're that
boring
cool.
you. Well, we had a nice day and the monkeys running free made up for it. Got really close to some of them. It was amazing. Had a good old chinwag with them. You can see lots of shorts on YouTube. Anyway, we're packed, we're ready, having a cup of coffee, uploading the film, off to the airport. So, ta-da for now and goodbye from Girls in Malaysia. I'll see you again real soon.